I did not plan for anything कि ऐसे restart करना है. I just knew that I should whatever opportunities I got, I literally am thankful for it because somewhere I learned. I did explore on different fields, and to be very honest, something that I can't say, but something's apart from this, it's gonna be there. It's there on board, and I tried coming out of it alone because मेरे लिए ऐसा होता है कि I try to spread happiness rather than negativity. वो टाइम ही नहीं मिला कि हम उस चीज़ को लेके हम बात भी करें, and he is a very positive kind of a इंसान, and I also want to be positive. तो हम वो पुराने topics लेके ही नहीं आते यार. हम मस्ती करते हैं. That's how we are on set. After long, I actually decided to go ahead and just start working once again, and this was a beautiful show which I was glad about. I told her the story, and so she's also like, oh wow. Hi, this is Dibatma Shah, and you're watching me on the YouTube channel of Shubhojit. Yes.
Subscribe. दोस्तों, when you talk about beauty, charm, charisma, elegance, beauty, कितने एडजेक्टिव्स मैं यूज़ कर सकता हूँ, बट देन तुम लोग बोलोगे कि मैं बायसनेस की वजह से बढ़ रहा हूँ बिकॉज शी इज़ माई फेलो बंगाली, बट ऐसा नहीं है. शी हैज़ एक्चुअली प्रूवन हर सेल्फ इन मेनी वेज, एंड राइट नाउ शी इज़ गोइंग टू बी प्रूविंग हर सेल्फ इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल विद कृष्णा मोहिनी. कलर्स में आ रहा है 29 अप्रैल को 7 PM ऑनवर्ड्स. इतना कुछ पूछने के पहले शो का टाइमिंग वगैरह सब प्रमोशन हो गया, एंड आई कैन सी द स्माइल ऑन योर फेस दैट यू हैव. And I'm sure that this has happened after a long time because you had your own reasons to take that bit of break, right?
Yes. Thank you इतना तारीफ करने के लिए.
नहीं, but genuinely, like I said, biasness नहीं है personal Bengal वाला, but I genuinely believe कि this is difficult, rising up is difficult. Going down तो है, but going down के बाद rising up is again difficult, right? For anybody who's taking a bit of a break and then coming again all guns blazing, और ज़्यादा difficult होता है. Most importantly, you don't know how do you restart again. For you, what was the funda कि यार मैं restart करूँगी तो ऐसे करूँगी?
See, I did not plan for anything कि ऐसे restart करना है. I just knew that I should whatever opportunities I got, I literally am thankful for it because somewhere I learned. बीच बीच में I have always learned something or the other. चाहे especially I learned सबसे ज़्यादा जब लोस पे जा रहे होता है कोई इंसान, तो उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलता है. So I'm really glad कि I got to learn a lot of things. ये जो break भी लिया, in this break I got to actually learn about patience. And I tried, I explored like I always wanted to do, so I have nothing to complain about because I did explore on different fields. And to be very honest, something that I can't say, but something's apart from this, it's gonna be there. It's there on board, and you're gonna know about that later as well. But yeah, touch wood.
हो जाएगा वो भी.
Of course. Yeah. So I'm really glad about that. So उस time पे मैंने सब कुछ ये field में भी I literally tried capturing certain things, and I did, and it's gonna come. So I learned a lot, and to be very honest, like I said, I'll never plan, I never expect anything. I just want to live in this present moment, and when this character came up to me, I wanted to know more about the stories and stuff, and when I came to know about the story, I was literally excited because it's beautiful. All I can say, it's new, it's fresh.
Wait नहीं हो रहा यार 29 अप्रैल का, जल्दी आओ.
Yeah, but it's fresh, it's new, and I'm really glad to be part of this beautiful show.
I really want to know this, and I'm personally curious about this कि देखो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तुम बहुत ज़्यादा experienced हो in terms of age. You're a young girl, you have started work few years back, you do not have a background over here in the industry as well. But keeping all this aside, मैंने कुछ देर पहले सुना you were talking in another interview that you are your own सारथी because you somehow managed to push yourself beyond regular limits खुद से. तो मुझे जानना है इसके पीछे एक अलग लेवल का confidence चाहिए होता है to do that. What is that source of confidence?
See, सारथी is there is my mom. I can literally say like she'll go beyond anything, like she'll be there. But in certain scenarios, like the previous question was like that person literally asked me about my lows, how I dealt with it. So sometimes when you go through mental things, you don't feel like sharing your problems with anyone. So what you do is you just feel like staying alone, and that's what I did. And I tried coming out of it alone because मेरे लिए ऐसा होता है कि I try to spread happiness rather than negativity. So I hardly share with it on social media or any people, like no one would know. but it does not mean, you know, I just want everyone to be sweet to one another rather than, you know, judging ones, you know, without knowing their part of the story. Like that's how you can just help other people, right? Because हर कोई किसी ना किसी चीज़ से जूझ रहा है. What if, you know, someone would do the same thing? So I always try to, even if someone else is also going through the same thing, I would be the first person to actually go and help that person out because I know how it feels.
How nice. Puro Bengali Roshogolla.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
But मुझे बताओ कि
Yeah.
you mentioned about your mother, you mentioned about how you have yourself decided on things and you have moved forward. This is one show, I'm sure इसके पहले भी there were offers etc coming because
Yeah.
you have proved your mettle in the past.
Yeah.
But एक कोई deciding factor होता है because of which you decide कि यार एक तो बहुत टाइम बाद आ रही हूँ, तो अगर बहुत टाइम बाद आ रही हूँ तो इसमें ऐसा impactful होना चाहिए. तो what was that impactful point that you found in Krishna Mohini जिसके वजह से तुमको लगा कि यार ये तो एकदम सही रहेगा?
You know, I had a lot of questions after, you know, some things I'd done in the past, sorry. So I had a lot of questions and I was scared to take up projects. There was a time, yes. I was scared. I did not know which one to go ahead with. But all I knew was, a small thing I knew was, I need a very strong story. I need a good story. I want something fresh, something new, which people has never seen. And this is it. I could not ask for anything more to God.
It's like all boxes tick perfectly.
Oh yes,
that's
yes,
what,
yes.
that's
Check,
what it is.
check,
karo,
check.
tick,
Yes,
tick.
yes.
Talking about Faman, you know, on set experience के बाद, I don't know if you knew him.
Oh, he's very fun-loving.
तो मुझे बताओ कि
हम
सबसे
मस्ती
पहले
करते
did he rag you or did he kind of have
Oh,
fun?
nothing.
मतलब ragging wagging तो वो गलत वाला नहीं, but ऐसे मस्ती होता करते
हाँ
हैं हम लोग।
वो होता रहता है अचानक से, नॉट ओनली विथ मी, वो अचानक से चलते फिरते किसी भी लोगों के पीछे आके ना, and we will be like, oh God, what is doing? It's like it's his nature, it's there. So
But he is more experienced as far as work is concerned. तो उसने उसको भी आपके स्टोरी के बारे में पता है, right? So उसने कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सजेशन या एडवाइस दिया आपको, which you thought कि यार ये इम्प्लीमेंट करूंगी तो मैं शायद, you know, this might be beneficial for me. ऐसा कुछ अभी तक दिया है कुछ? because अभी तो देखो शो का शूटिंग चालू है.
as in what experience are you talking about?
In terms of your life and everything उसको तो पता ही होगा ना?
ना मैं उस लाइफ के बारे में we hardly had any conversation to be very honest. प्रोफेशनल भी है पर मस्ती करके प्रोफेशनल है. सो दिस इज गुड, आई थिंक, यू नो, दिस इज फाइन बिकॉज उस वो टाइम ही नहीं मिला कि हम उस चीज़ को लेके हम बात भी करें. एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी, यू नो, पॉजिटिव काइंड ऑफ इंसान. एंड यू नो, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू बी पॉजिटिव. तो हम वो पुराने टॉपिक्स लेके ही नहीं आते यार. हम मस्ती करते हैं. दैट्स हाउ वी आर ऑन सेट. एंड आई थिंक इवन, यू नो, अगर वो टॉपिक छिड़ भी जाए तो both are mature people.
Yeah.
It's like कि हम conversations करेंगे, it won't stop. वो time भी मिलना चाहिए, you know, like non-stop जाते हैं, ready होते हैं, आजा चल ready करके, you know, we just go. Yeah.
Very limited time. Last 2 सवाल मेरे पास है आपके लिए. मुझे प्लीज़ आप ये बताइए कि you know, the day that you signed this show and you realized कि this is something that because of which I'm coming back again अच्छे से, and what was the reaction of your family and उन्होंने आपको क्या बोला?
My mom was calm. She was all calm because you know, एक होता है, if it was my first or something, तो वो excited वाले होते हैं. तो but you know, she was really happy कि, you know, after long I actually decided to go ahead and just start working once again. And this was a beautiful show which I was glad about. I told her the story and so she's also like, oh wow. So she's like, okay, stay calm because अभी neutral हो गए हैं. ज़्यादा खुशियाँ होती हैं, I'm neutral. ज़्यादा sadness होती है, I'm neutral. I try to, you know, control my emotions. That's how I have become through all this.
Filter लगा के अच्छे से.
Yeah, filter लगा के अच्छे से. That is how I'm. Yeah.
Last question to wrap up would be कि इतने सालों का तजुर्बा as an actor, what has been your biggest learning experience कि because a lot of people talk about क्या करना चाहिए, but a lot of people don't talk about क्या नहीं करना चाहिए in your journey, right? What is that one thing that you have learned in your journey कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए if I'm an actor?
नहीं करना चाहिए. किसी और के काम पे आप कुछ बोलने मत जाओ जब तक ना उस इंसान को आपकी हेल्प चाहिए.
पराए खड्डे पे पैर मत डालो. That is what it is. We can have Bengali translations for that as well. अलग-अलग तरीके का.
पर अगर किसी को हेल्प चाहिए तो ही आप बोलो, वरना चुप रहो. That's better because आपको नहीं पता ना वो इंसान के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है. शायद उसकी भी अपने थॉट्स हो उस चीज़ को लेके. एंड देन चाहे it might be कि वो अच्छा निकल के आ जाए. And कहीं ना other people are there to guide that person, the director and everyone. So being an actor, I would not suggest someone else कि आप ऐसे करो. I would never do that. उसको करने दो. And if that person asks any suggestions, then I am there to help. Come on man, just ask. That's how it should be.
दोस्तों, we are talking about help. एक help मेरा कर दो please. 29th April है. 7 बजे कलर्स टीवी में जाओ, इनको देखो, फमान को देखो, अच्छे से देखो, दोनों को, पूरे कास्ट को अच्छे से देखो, प्यार जताओ ढेर सारा, बिकॉज दे डेफिनेटली डिजर्व ऑल दैट लव फॉर द
Thank you,
हार्ड वर्क
man.
दैट दे हैव डन. एंड नोट करो डेट, ये वीडियो भी देखो, इंटरव्यू भी देखो, इसको बहुत अच्छे से शेयर करो. आई डाउट इफ यू हैव स्माइल्ड सो मच अभी तक सुबह से, इतना कोई भी इंटरव्यू देखो, दिस इज व्हाट इट ट्रिगर्स, राइट? बट थैंक यू so much. That's a wrap on the Sunny G show with Devatama. We'll see you all very soon with another very interesting episode very soon. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe and thank you. And once again, promotion zaruri hai. Krishna Mohini, Colors Channel, 7 p.m. 29th April is the day. Thank you.